Standard 10 English Medium, Subject Maths, Chapter 5, Arithmetic Progression. Exercise 5.1. First, I read the question. Question number 3. For the following arithmetic progression, write the first terms and the common difference. Okay. Write the first terms. First, write the question. 3, 1, minus 1, minus 3. In the question, if you write here, for the following, if you write the first term, your first term and common difference. The first term here, this first terms A is equal to 3. Now, common difference. So, D, A2 minus A1. A2 means 1 minus 3, so minus 2. This is the common difference. Now second here, minus 5 minus 1 3 7. First term we write down here, A is equal to minus 5. First term. Common difference D, A2 minus A1. This A1, A2, A3, A4. A2 minus 1 minus 5. Minus 1 minus minus plus 5 minus 1, so 4, but bigger sign plus 4. Now question number 3. Third, here write down question here, 1 by 3, 5 by 3, 9 by 3 and 13 by 3 up to this. Find the first arithmetic progression by first term. First term is A is equal to 1 by 3. Now D, A2 minus A1, 5 by 3 minus 1 by 3. 3 is the LCM, 5 minus 1, so 4 by 3. This is the common difference. Now question number 4. 0.6, 1.7, 2.8, 3.9 up to this. Here given first terms A is equal to 0.6. A1 means A. Common difference D, A2 minus A1. 1.7 minus 0.6. 7 minus 6, 1, 1.1. This is the common difference of arithmetic progression. This is the question number 3 finished. Now question number 4. Question number 4. First I read the question. Which of the following are arithmetic progression if they form of an AP? Find the common difference of D. First find out the common difference D. Write 3 more terms. After we find 3 more terms. If arithmetic progression yes, so more than 3 terms you find out. If arithmetic progression no, so finish the sum. Okay. First, question number 4. First, 2, 4, 8, 16. So first here First find out the common difference D. A2 minus A1. 4 minus 2 answer be 2. A2 minus A1. D. A3 minus A2. So A3 8 minus 4. So answer 4. Here common difference 2, here common difference 4. These two are not same. So you write down A2 minus A1 not equal to A3 minus A2. So common difference we not seen. So no arithmetic progression. In the exam write down the full form. Okay, now second parts. Write down the question first. 2 5 by 2 3 7 by 2. So first find out the common difference D. A2 minus A1. 5 by 2 minus 2. First we take the LCM. 2 is the LCM. Cross multiply 5 ones are 5 minus 2 twos are 4. So answer 1 by 2. Now second we find this is the different be same or not same. D is equal to A3 minus A2. A3 3 minus 5 by 2. First taken the LCM. Cross multiply 2 3 ja 6, 5 1 ja 5, 1 by 2. It means this D is 1 by 2, this D is 1 by 2. Both are same. So we can say that yes, arithmetic progression. Now in the question if yes, so write 3 more terms. 3 more terms. So how to terms we find out? Here A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, A plus 4D, A plus 5D, A plus 6D. Okay, here 1, 2, 3, 4 term count. 1, 2, 3, 4 given. Again 4. 1, 2, 3. So A plus 7D. This type of the arithmetic progression. So here 1, 2, 3, 4. You 1, 2, 3, 4. Start from here. A plus 4D. A here first term 2. 4D, common difference 1 by 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 plus 2, answer be 4. Now, A plus 4D, now A plus 5D. A, first term 2, 5D, 1 by 2. 2, 5 1 ja 5, 2. 2 is the LCM, 2 2s are 4 plus 5, 9 by 2. Now A plus 6D, A value 2, 6D value 1 by 2, 2 3 ja 6, 2 plus 3, 5. Now here 1, 2, 3, 3 more terms. Here question be 3 more terms. Okay. The answer 3 more terms. Write down the answer. So 4, 9 by 2 and 5. This is the answer. 3 more terms. This type you find out. Okay, if yes, so this find out 3 more terms. If no, so not possible. Yeah, no, can't finish the question. Now question number 3. Start from third number here. We start here. Minus 1 by 2, minus 3 by 2, minus 5.2, minus 7.2 up to dash. Here, first, here find the common difference D, A2 minus A1. A2 minus 3.2 minus A1 minus 1.2. Minus 3.2 minus minus plus 1.2. Plus minus minus subtraction here, but bigger sign minus. 2 minus 2 0. 3 minus 1 2. So answer minus 2. This is the minus 2. Point after 0, don't be right. Now D, A3 minus A2, minus 5.2 minus minus 3.2. Now minus 5.2 minus minus plus 3.2. Plus minus minus bigger sign, 2 minus 2 0. 5 minus 2, so 2.0, it means minus 2. This both the common difference be same, so we can say that this is the arithmetic progression. So we write down, yes, arithmetic progression. Okay. Now we start 3 more terms. Here 1, 2, 3, 4 given. Our formula be A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, A plus 4D, A plus 5D, A plus 6D. Okay. Here 1, 2, 3, 4 given. It means 1, 2, 3, 4 given. After you write down this. So A plus 4D write down. So A means here minus 1.2. 4, D value minus 2, minus 1.2 plus minus minus 8, 4 to 8, minus minus plus 8 plus 1, 9, so minus 9.2. Now we write down here A plus 5D, so A value minus 1.2, 5, D value minus 2, 1.2, 5 is a 10, plus minus minus, minus minus plus 10 plus 1, 11, minus 11.2. Now A plus 6D, A value minus 1.2, 6, D value minus 2, 1.2, 6 to the 12, plus minus minus, 12 plus 1, 13.2. Okay, 1, 2, 3. So write down the answer. 3 more term. B, answer write down, minus 9.2, minus 11.2, minus 13.2. This is the answer. Okay. Now fourth number, start. Minus 10, minus 6, minus 2, 2. Okay. First find out this is the arithmetic progression, yes or no. So So D means common difference. A2 minus A1. A2 minus 6, A1 minus 6 minus 10. Minus 6 minus plus 10 minus 6, so 4, bigger sign. D is equal to A3 minus A2. A3 minus 2 minus A2 minus 6. Okay, minus 2 minus plus 6. 6 minus 2, 4. These two answers be same, so we can say that yes, arithmetic progression. Now we find 3 more terms. So 3 more terms we find out here. First, A plus 4D. A value first, minus 10. 4, D value 4, minus 10, 4 4 ja 16, 10 minus 16 minus 10, so 6. A plus 5D, A value minus 10, 5, D value 4, minus 10, 4 5 ja 20, 20 minus 10, so 10. Now A plus 6D, A value minus 10 plus 6, D value 4, minus 10 plus 6 4 ja 24, 24 minus 10, so 14. So answer we write down 3 more terms. B 6, 10, 14. This is the answer. Now question number 5. First I read the question. Question number 5. Here given 3 plus root 2, 3 plus 2 root 2, 3 plus 3 root 2, up to this. 3 plus root 2, 3 plus 2 root 2, and 3 plus 3 root 2. Find out first. So first, common difference be A2 minus A1. A2, 3 plus root 2 minus A1, 3. Open the bracket, 3 plus root 2 minus 3. 3 cut, answer be root 2. Okay, now find out this. D is equal to A3 minus A2. A3 means here 3 plus 2 root 2. 3 plus 2 root 2. A2 3 root 2. 3 plus root 2. This given. A3 minus A2. So 3 plus 2 root 2 minus 3 minus root 2. 3 card, here 2 root 2 minus root 2. So 2 minus 1, so 1 root 2. Okay. Now again we find out 3 more terms. Yes. Because both answers be same, so yes, arithmetic progression. So A plus 4D. A value 3, 4D root 2, answer 3 plus 4 root 2, answer. A plus 5D, A value 3, 5D root 2, answer 5 plus 3 plus 5 root 2. A plus 6D, A value 3, 6, D value root 2. So answer we write down 3 more term, B 3 plus 4 root 2, okay, 3 plus 5 root 2, 3 plus 6 root 2, okay. Now stop here. Exercise 5.1, question number 4, 1 to 5 finish. Again you doing all the student. If any problem, yeah, any doubt, so give me in WhatsApp and phone number, okay. By Suhas Patel. Namaskar. Jai Swaminarayan.